Sharifa just nailed it, and I'm coming to you today with a little haul. It consists of, we're going to dive right in with our Pretty Diva. This is a soak off gel base and top coat. I did a little mini video for Instagram of these, so please check that out. Not sure exactly when that'll be up for this one though. So check this out. You can get these at Amazon, prettydiva.com. We did do a purple nail. Love, love, love this purple. It is one of my faves. It is my favorite purple, but of a gel. Check those out. I give these 2 thumbs up. Put those to the side. Off of AliExpress. I don't know if you call this unicorn poop, fine glitter mix, dots. I'm not really too sure. I'm only going to keep one. The other one I'm giving away to a friend of mine, a bestie. So leave those over there. I also got this great big bag of crosses. They are black hollow. Look at those beautiful colors. And as you can see, they are crosses. I'm going to have great fun with these throughout the year. I also will be sharing those, because there is far more than I could ever get to. From Amazon, I seen these on Viola Brown, Nail Cover Lovers channel, and I had to have them. I just had to have them. These are 3D butterflies. Let's see if I can get these here where you can see. They're a multitude of colors. I cannot wait to play with these. I am greatly, greatly excited. I'm seeing some favorites right now. Looking over the blue and the yellow. That is beautiful. As well as this blue. Black and the white. Oh, they got the pink butterflies here. They are beautiful, beautiful colors. Cannot wait to play with those. Last but not least, I can't talk. I've got a small order here from BRC Nails Tips in Pieces. She did have an Etsy store. Maybe it was a Shopify. Let me pull this stuff out. Here's a little note. Let me see. Here is her card. Shelly sends a card. Love, love, love. Oh, she wrote it on the back of her card herself. This is her website. She has her own website now. Take the screenshot so you can go shop there yourself. I do not have a code, but Catherine Ford does. Listen to me. KF10. And I believe it is in caps. Here is BRC Nails' other forms of social media. Take off this tape. Hello, darling. I'm grateful for your repeat business, so many manis. I can't wait to see yours. You know I love my designer nails. I hope this will make you feel marvelous. Thanks again, Brandy. Look at that. I love the Louis Vuitton stickers and the multicolors. Just love, love, love. We believe Brandy's card right there. We have got this with our, we got some freebies and stuff. We got our order and some freebies. Love her packaging. Okay, these 2 are my freebies. These are part of my order. Get this tape off there. Look at these. These are just so beautiful. They're like little shell pieces. I ordered those as well as some, let me see these. These are just gorgeous. I wish I could get, oh, that's not gonna work. I need something white. These are just beautiful. I'm going to have great fun playing with those as well. And these say boss. So I'm going to have great fun playing with those on the nails too. Cannot wait. And Brandy sent me some freebies. I greatly appreciate it, girl. Thank you so very much. We have got, let me open this here. We have some stragglers outside of the package. Oh my god. Can you see what just happened? Oh my goodness. There were some stragglers above the line. Well, now I got the stragglers all over my desk. This is a beautiful heart mix glitter. Oh, there's a hole in the bag. Oh, shoot. So yeah, I can't play with those anymore. Let me spread these out. I got quite the mess to clean up. Last but not least, I've been excited for these. She told me she was going to send me these. These are itty bitty Louis Vuitton spinners. And I don't know if you can see these. Look at them spin. Oh, I cannot wait to do a set of nails with these. How exciting. So she's got the Louis Vuitton spinners. She's got other spinners. She's got where you can make your own spinners where she sells the base. Thank you, Brandy, for my goodies, for my freebies. This glitter mix is beautiful. I'm gonna put that in another bag. So here we are for our order for today. Let's get that on the lamp. So check out BRC Nails on YouTube, Instagram, and other social media platforms. Let me scoop this stuff over. Don't forget, go visit her website, BRC Nails Tips, and it. Let me see. I hate to do this. Let me put this here. Tips X Pieces. See, she's got the letter X right there instead of an N. tipsxpieces.com. Check her out. Tell her I sent you. Use Catherine's code KD10 for Catherine Ford. And that's all I have for you today. I have got my glitters to clean up so I can save them. There's crosses in there too. Oh, how cool. So very, very cool. There's crosses, there's hearts, there's octagons, little little stars it looks like. It's a great mix. Thank you very much, Brandy. So check out my haul videos. Check out my other videos. Stay tuned. We might be having a giveaway coming up soon. I'm creeping up on 1,200. So if you haven't already subscribed, please do so and click the bell. That way you get notified of all future videos and giveaways. Can't forget about the giveaways too. Well, have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.